is your girl Monique, and welcome back to my channel. If you're oldie but goodie, welcome back. And if you're just tuning in, thank you for tuning in. Today's video is about this affordable slayage, this affordable gorgeous wig for the low that I recently purchased at my local beauty supply store. So if you want to get into it, you want to know all the tea, then you definitely need to keep watching. Okay, so I am one of those kind of people that I work very hard for my coins, and I like to do my research when it comes to buying wigs and stuff like that. Of course, the YT is why most of us either watch the YouTube channels or do YouTube videos because we're researching something. So I was in the hunt for a human hair wig that had the kinky curly texture of my own to blend in with the blend in game. So as you see, yes, your eyes are not deceiving. I have taken the platinum blonde out of my hair. I was getting tired of it. I had it in my hair for over 2 years, and I have purchased and I have done my hair in every kind of 613 style that you could possibly do your hair, and I was totally over it. So I didn't put it straight back to jet black, but I did soften it up with a soft brown, and I've been going from there. So enough about that. Let's get into this wig. So the name of the company is called M by Mayde Beauty. This is their Wet and Wavy series. This is 100% human hair with an invisible lace part. And the good thing about this is that it is a wet and wavy style. Sometimes wigs like this become, you feel like you're limited to that particular style because it is a center part wig. The inches of the hair, it does not say, but I'm short neck, and the stock card shows that the young lady has her hair touching the shoulders. Now here in Philly, it has been so hot. It has been so hot that it's been kind of like stifling hot. But it's kind of like cooling down a little bit, so it's kind of like gearing towards fall. You feel me? Don't look like that. Don't look like that. I'm not ready for the summer to end either, but it has to end, you know? So let's open this package together. Actually, when I went to purchase the wig, I had my hair up in a ponytail, so no, I didn't even get a chance to try it on. So we're going to be trying it on together. So it comes in the standard packaging. As a matter of fact, let me move back a little. It comes in the standard packaging, connected to the cardboard box, protected by the cardboard barrier to keep the wig from smashing. It actually has a piece of foam on the top, and it has the protective netting on the outside of the wig and the stuffing on the inside of the wig. So the construction of the wig is pretty simple. It has 2 combs at the temple. It has a lace parting down the center. It's about 2.5 inches of lace parting. Of course, it has a comb in the back with adjustable straps. It's more like wefts sewn on. It has a mesh stretch part in the middle of the hair. So I'm loving the construction of the wig. This tells me that with that wefting in the middle, with this stretch part in the middle, that means this is going to be big head friendly. The wig comes standardly straight, as you can see. It is really thick. It's really thick. And the style, if I did not say, it is the bohemian curl in the natural color. Okay, so you can always and one other thing about it, it says you can dye, you can bleach, and you can, of course, style the wig. Isn't that a given? So I got my little scissors here to cut off that string. Okay. So, I don't know. Maybe I'm weird, but I love smelling fresh hair. So this is what the part looks like up close. It looks like it's well, the parting is really tight. And it looks like it has a line of demarcation right here with the lace. I hate that. So that also means that not only do I have to finesse that part, I mean, you don't have to. You don't have to, because this is definitely a beginner-friendly type of wig. That is what that is looking like. I am going to go off camera and fix this parting space. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so I kind of like pre-prep my hair to get ready for the wig. I was able to widen the part just a fraction more. This is what it's looking like. And I'll also cut that little teeny piece of demarcation off. If you didn't know, it has like at least 3 inches worth of parting across. So if you feel like, if you try like I did, you feel like you might not have made it wide enough or made it too wide, you can always buffer it by bringing some of the hair over just to camouflage a little bit. And I usually just bring the tips of the hair forward to kind of like camouflage that harsh demarcation in the front. So once again, this is the M by Mayde. It kind of has like a yucky kind of feel to it. It is extremely soft. I am able to run my fingers through it. It has a lot of density. It is really thick. And did I tell you I got this from my local beauty supply store? I got this from my local beauty supply store for $59.99. And the stock card says that I can dye it, I can bleach it, and of course you can style it. I am going to put it on. So this is meant to be worn as a middle part. And I have my wide tooth comb. You know, you comb from the bottom and work your way up. I just wanted to show you what the length looks like. Although it is, I am receiving shedding. That's 2 hairs right there. And that's probably from around the area of, I had, from me tweezing the part. I actually didn't comb the hair completely after I tweezed the part. So that is probably where those shedded hairs are. If I have any more, I'll definitely let you know. So this kind of has that not blown out look, but air dried look, because it does have a ton of texture to it. It's meant to be worn in the middle part. It has no lace to cut off around the edge. So if you chose to wear this, a little bit behind your hairline, you could, just in case the wind blows on it. I would suggest wearing utilizing the combs. That's in case you wanted to wear it over behind the hairline. So let me stick it back where it was at. This is definitely big head friendly. For me, it doesn't feel like the wig is tight enough. I might have to go back and adjust it some more for more tightness, or add a additional elastic band, or change the style of the elastic band to fit it on my head. This is where the wig comes to me in the front, and this is how long it looks in the back. It just looks like I air dried my hair, and although this is a center part wig, I remember I got asked that before. If you want to have a side part, you could have a side part. The way that the wefts are, you could have a side part if you wanted to. It wouldn't be at a angle this way. It would be a high. Let me see if I turned it all the way that way. Yeah, if you wanted a deep, you could. It's your wig. You wear it how you want to. With a little hair back there. If that's how you wanted to wear it, you could. I actually like having it just like this with a lot of texture to it. I'm not sure if I'm ready to wet it up. I know you guys want to see it wet because it says that it is a wet and wavy wig, but I am not ready to get rid of this blown out texture. It does say, it does say that it is heat friendly up until, no, what it says is to air dry. It does say if I want to activate the curls that you want to co-wash or wash it, apply conditioner, rinse it through, pat the water out, do not rub or wring the hair, and you just let it air dry. I'm not sure if by doing so the straight texture will come back or if the curly texture will come back, because like I said, it comes in this straight style. It comes straight like this. However, after you wash it, after you put conditioner on and water on it, it will curl up. But right now, I am truly feeling this blown out. It looked like it could be my hair style.